The rounding bottom is a reversal chart pattern which develops after a price declines and used to signal the potential end of a downtrend. Volume will tend to mirror the price as it rises and falls with the price, then expands on the breakout. The pattern will start with higher volume as the stock experiences its final plunge lower. This high volume event is then followed up with lower volume as the stock consolidates in a range. Lastly, the volume will begin to pick up again as the stock begins its bullish move higher. Sometimes this formation can coincide with a double or triple bottom pattern. Note how price moved sharply higher in both these examples once a neckline resistance level was broken. Now about the confirming rounded bottom pattern. So to confirm the pattern, you need to find a price decrease which slowly switches to a range followed by a price increase. The strongest confirmation comes when the volume indicator shows high volume on the decline, flat volume on the range, and increasing volumes on the reversal. The rounded bottom breakout happens when the price penetrates the neckline in a bullish direction. Now about the profit target for the rounded bottom pattern. So after the trend switches from bearish to bullish, the expectation is for price to continue expanding higher. But the question is how much higher? Simple answer is the move higher will be at least the size of the rounding bottom formation. Now let's quickly go through the details on this calculation of the profit target. So to measure the potential of your rounding bottom, you should first identify the neckline of the pattern. To do this, to draw a line across the top of the bearish trend and the bullish trend before the breakout occurs. When the price action breaks the neckline, you should open a long position. The blue rectangle on the image illustrates the size and the target of the pattern. The green check mark indicates the moment when the price action completes and the minimum potential of the pattern is achieved. The good thing about the rounding bottom pattern is that while it takes long time to develop, it has a very high success rate. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for daily videos on technical analysis and charting.